Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to customize the roof using the tool Mass. So the first thing we need to do is to set a few reference planes. So just go to level 1 and click reference plane. We can do maybe 4 of them just to show you how it works. So after you set your reference plane, make sure to name it. I'm just gonna name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, next we can go to massing and you will see this in place mass. Click on it and name it whatever. Okay, let's go to south elevation and set your work plane to 1. Okay, let's use spline. Okay. And then set it to reference plane 2 and do the same thing again. Okay. And just repeat it 4 times. Okay. After you're done, let's go to 3D. Select all of them and click create form. And now you have it. It's a weird shaped roof. After you're done, just press finish. I know it looks weird, but you can adjust it a little bit. I'm just showing you how to do it. So let's give it material. Yep, that's your customized roof. And that's for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.